Good day everyone. Today's activity is all about exploring how technical writing is used in the real world. We often hear about reports, proposals, and documents, but do we really know their importance in different professions? Through this activity, we'll get a closer look at how professionals apply technical writing in their daily work and why it's an essential skill for their success. For our first activity, we'll conduct an interview with a professional of our choice. The interview will last around 7 minutes. Our goal is to learn from their personal experiences with technical writing. We will ask them questions such as: what's your experience in writing technical papers? What are your strengths in writing technical papers? What are your weaknesses in writing technical papers? And what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
Good day, everyone. Thank you for giving me your time. I'm conducting an interview as part of our activity on technical writing, and I would like to ask you a few questions about your experience. Before we proceed into the questions, I would like to ask you regards the information, the name, company, and position.
Yes, good evening and good morning to all of you. I'm Randy Gatchalian from GPC Geopharma, um, building admin of our company. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that, Tito. So the interview will only take 7 minutes. May I start the question? So the first question is, what is your experience in writing technical papers?
Um, as a building administrator, um, um, my experience isn't writing academic research paper, but in generating technical reports that are crucial for the building's operation. I regularly create documents on everything from maintenance log and incident report to energy consumption, audit, and compliances summaries. This report are technically because they detailed specific procedure, equipment, and data procedure, accurate and easy to understand for different audiences like maintenance crew on a building owner. My role is to translate um, uh, complex building issues into clear, actionable written report. Yeah.
Okay. So for the next question
Mm-hmm.
is, what are your strengths in writing technical papers?
Um, my strengths are in practicality and clarity. I know how to get strength to point and provide the information that people can act on immediately in excellent summarizing a lot of data like month, work, or temperature reading in a simple. Um, I also excel at creating and following in, in standardization templates with ensure consistency and make it easy to for others to find the information they need quickly.
Okay.
Oh.
So on the other hand, what would you say are your um, weaknesses in writing technical papers?
Um, And the main weakness is that my writing in application focus, not theoretical. I don't write about groundbreaking new technologies, some or complex scientific principles. Um, the reports are about a specific building and it is its system. I also lack the deep specialized knowledge of master electrician um, or civil engineers. So I rely to their input, ensure the technical details in the report are correct. Uh,
So, lastly,
mhm.
um, what is the value of technical writing when it comes in your profession?
mm, when it comes to technical writing, in fundamental to my job, it's our primary tool for documenting and communicating what's happening to the building in the building. Yeah. Uh, a well-written report on a fire alarm. Actually, when it comes to safety, fire alarm, we have two class of fire alarm. We have FDAS. They say it is fire detection automatic uh, alarm system. It's called FDAS. And the other one is uh, SFMR, uh, fire maintenance fire maintenance report. Um, in the cleaning of the building, the owner on the same page without clear detailed report. Our building couldn't operate safely uh, or efficiently. Uh, we have also firefighting. It is included to the safety of the building. Uh, it is practice week every 6 months of the year. And it is regularly practicing. Okay, that's all.
Okay. So, thank you for the answers, Sir Randy, Tito Randy. So, thank you very much for the time that you allotted in our interview and for sharing your insights and experiences. So, this will be a great help in understanding how technical writing is applied in a different profession, like profession that you have. So, thank you for your time. Um, have a great day po.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much.
Through this short interview, we hope to gain insights and inspiration from real professionals who use technical writing as part of their everyday work. In summary from the interview, I learned that the technical writing is an important part of any profession as it allows professionals to communicate ideas, instruction, and information clearly. Overall, the interview highlighted that technical writing is not only about writing skills but also about accuracy, clarity, and organization. It plays a vital role in securing that information is properly understood and applied in their profession. This shows us why technical writing is an essential skill for all the profession.